Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about what is Space in Telegram wallet. So right here we are in my actual Telegram and here we have the wallet right here which is Space. So we want to launch it right here. So basically Space is a non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet which was developed by Telegram itself and it was released back around 2023. So this is an exclusive tool made by the Open network engineers. As you can see, this is your actual wallet already. It allows users to control their digital belongings within the Telegram app. So you can even earn right here with your wallet using Hamster, Toncoin, USDT, and many more assets that are available in the Ton cryptocurrency network. So you can use this. It's pretty simple to buy other coins. You can trade and receive. You can buy Bitcoin with this. You can even have your USDT dollars right here and even get airdrops from your famous Hamster Combat coins right here. So if you want to do that, you can play right here, launch it right here, and you can claim your own Hamster Combat coins right here. So as you can see, let's just give you a quick tutorial on how. So here we're just gonna launch the app and then here. So let's just go ahead and keep playing here. And there you go. So the airdrop basically right here you can get and choose the withdrawal option and then you can do a direct claim. So it's not available again because I've missed it, but basically that's how it works, and then it's going to be transferred into your wallet basically, and you're going to have hamster coin and you can trade it, and there you go. So that is your Space in your Telegram wallet. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.